A public schools employee has been indicted in connection with a heinous sex act, which could cost her job and a few years in prison. The charge is technically called unnatural or perverted sexual practice, which ABC 2 News' Brian Kubler explains adds up to the details in the story are not appropriate for children.
Stephanie Mickles was hired in 2009 to be the behavioral specialist for Harford County Schools. But it's her behavior that may very well get her fired and did get her indicted. The Center of Harford County began investigating Mickles last year, but did not anticipate finding evidence that would lead to a shocking indictment. According to court records and evidence of still photos, a grand jury indicted Mickles with unnatural or perverted sexual practice. The indictment lacked sexual intercourse with a family pet. Police say, according to evidence, it happened in August of 2008, but in Maryland there is no statute of limitations for bestiality, and sources tell ABC2 that Pet still lives with the family at their Jarrettsville home. Is currently on administrative leave without pay from the Harford County school system. It could not comment on personnel matters, but said part of her job did involve working with children. Her past job title remains a concern for the state's attorney's office, which declined an on-camera interview with ABC2, citing investigators did say the findings of bestiality were a surprise and that it was a separate investigation by the Child Advocacy Center that led them to this shocking discovery. Mickles could not be reached for comment at her home outside Bel Air, but her attorney did tell us she is fighting the child motions to dismiss the indictment primarily on the grounds of the Fourth Amendment. In Bel Air, Brian Kubler, ABC 2 News.